We have more news now coming in. This is from Kerala. As many as 58 people, including 6 minors, have been arrested in Kerala's Pathanamthitta in a shocking case of sexual abuse of a minor girl who happens to be an athlete. This went on for about 5 years. Well, the information has been shared with NDTV by the Pathanamthitta SP. Listen in to more details coming in. My colleague Uma joins us.
I spoke to the Pathanamthitta SP, Mr. Vinod, and he has said that 60 people have been identified as accused in Pathanamthitta. About 30 cases have been registered, which means 30 FIRs have been registered. And out of the 60 people, in a matter of few days, 58 people have been arrested. This would include about 6 minors who have also been taken into custody. Of course, technically that is not an arrest, but they have also indulged in the sexual assault of this girl. There is also another case that has in fact happened in Thiruvananthapuram involving the same girl. This girl had gone for an event to Thiruvananthapuram. As we mentioned, she has been an athlete and she had gone for an event to Thiruvananthapuram where we are told that again 2 people had assaulted her, sexually abused her, and therefore those 2 people have also been arrested. As you mentioned, this entire episode, horror rather, has happened between 2014 to 2019 and what we understand, from the age of 14 years to about the age of 18 years. Now she's 18 years in a few months is what the SP told me, and from 2019 onwards is when this has happened. The last case that happened was in November of 2024. That is the last recorded case that the police has in its records now, based on the statements that were given by this girl. Of course, her parents are both are daily wage laborers, and they seem to have been quite oblivious to what happened. The police has found corroborative evidence in the form of the cellular digital evidence in the mobile phone that the girl was using, through which she was in fact solicited or coerced or made to indulge in these kind of activities. It of course began with a neighbor who was some kind of a mentor, sports mentor for her, who had lured her into sexual activity when she was about 14 years of age, and subsequently we are being told that he had used the video and photographs of that time to blackmail her, and the net just grew. And shockingly, it's not just the sports trainers, people in the neighborhood, as well as fellow athletes who had exploited this girl, and also her own classmates. It was after a teacher had alerted about the entire happenings that the Child Welfare Committee came into play, and that is when this entire horrific saga was revealed and came to be known to the police and authorities. Back to you.